Hello there. Today there's a problem with this old Nissan Micra. Specifically, the bonnet is reluctant to open, which is a pain in the neck. So let's have a look, figure out what's wrong and see if we can fix it. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, the problem is with this black lever down here that we pull to make the bonnet pop up. It's stiff and reluctant to move. Come on. That's far too stiff. My gut feeling is that the cable's okay and the problem is with the latch, so let's figure out how to take it off. Can't be that difficult. What do you reckon then? How do we do this? Well, I think we'll take out this bolt here, top left, then that one there, top right, and that one there, top center, and then we'll see how we're doing. So we need to find the socket set. That should be there. And the socket set should be in the boot. Oh, come on. I can't quite reach. Aha, yes I can. Got it. Do you think we need a 12 or a 13mm socket? Choices. Let's try the 12. You feeling lucky? Perfect. I just got a notification on my phone. An email. Very strange. That's tight. But if you run a YouTube channel, you will get lots of strange emails. So be warned. There we are. All three bolts have been removed. So let's pop those in the ashtray where they're safe. The latch should lift out now. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, and look at the state of it. Absolutely filthy. That could be the problem. Oops, I forgot something. What I should have done before removing the latch was grab a pencil and trace around it, thus marking its exact position. This would have made it easier to reinstall it in precisely the same spot and guaranteed that the bonnet would shut properly. This isn't a big deal, it's something we can easily get around, but it's worth bearing it in mind if you do a similar job. Speaking of which, we now need a screwdriver. That'll do. And we can now use this screwdriver to remove the bonnet cable from the latch. Well, there we are. This spring needs to come off as well. Are we free? Yeah. That's interesting. The bonnet cable itself is now moving freely. There we are, minimal resistance. So, there's nothing wrong with the bonnet cable, that's moving freely. Therefore, the issue must be with the latch that's sticky, gunked up and reluctant to move. So, let's clean and lubricate it. Right, the garden hose has made a good start, but let's also give it a blast of engine degreaser. Haven't got much left, but it will have to do. Do you think this repair is going to work? I certainly hope so. It makes sense, doesn't it? It's all gunked up, it's all sticky, and if we clean it and lubricate it, then surely we're going to have a perfect bonnet. That looks substantially better. Look, we can see the spring here rather than just muck. Anyway, now we need to dry that thing out, and we could use a tea towel, but far more fun is compressed air. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Let's also add some GT85 because it's a water displacer and lubricant, which is exactly what we need now. Do you think we should add a little bit of grease to the mechanism? Yeah? All right. Now, does that look like it's in the right position to you? I'm not convinced. I think it's a bit low on this side. Better? I think so. Right, hopefully the bonnet will now close okay. We'll just let it half down to start with. So far, so good. That's encouraging. And now the moment of truth. Does the handle move properly? Cross your fingers. Oh, that is so much better. So, all we need to do now is torque down those bolts. And they're supposed to be between 21 and 26 Newton meters. So what shall we pick? 24? Oh, that sounds about right to me. There we go. By the way, I've just walked into an enormous cobweb and I don't know where the spider is. Probably on my hair. And that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.